In this video tutorial, we have another Jamb Past Question on differentiation. Here we are asked to find the derivative of this function. Solution. For more on this tutorial video, you can subscribe to this channel. The first thing to do to compute this derivative question, what you need to do is to employ the composite function method of differentiation. And that composite function method states that the y all over the x is equal to the y all over the u multiplied by the u all over the x. So we can say let u be equal to everything here inside 1 all over 3 x plus 6. Also, y is equal to u squared, because if the whole of this is u, then we have square here. That is why we have u squared. So the next thing to do is to find the y all over the u. We are looking for this one now, the y all over the u, which is this. So we take the derivative of this function. If we take the derivative, we'll have 2u raised to the power of 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2u. Also, we can also find the u all over the x, which is this. So the u all over the x is equal to 1 all over 3, because if we take the derivative of this, it will go, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So all we need to do is to employ this. It then means that the y all over the x, which is this, is equal to the y all over the u. The y all over the u is 2u multiplied by the u all over the x. The u all over the x is 1 all over 3. 1 all over 3, which is the same thing as 2 all over 3u. And we can recall that u is equal to 1 all over 3 x plus 6. So we can easily write the y all over the x is equal to 2 all over 3u. 2 all over 3, and our u is 1 all over 3 x plus 6. So this becomes our answer to the question given. So for more on this tutorial video, you need to subscribe to this channel.